babes, it's your girl, Suzie B, back again with another video. And I know you like, all right, girl, like, what is happening? I was editing the video and I realized I did not record an intro. So here we go. So today I will be recreating Nicki Minaj's look from What That Speed Bout. I think that's the name of it, What That Speed Bout video with NBA Youngboy. The look was fire, so I had to do it. I hope y'all enjoy this look. If you want me to do any other celebrity recreations, let me know. This was fun. I actually really enjoyed this. So without further ado, I don't. That was good. We go. All right. Okay, so I've already primed my lids with some concealer, but I'm gonna take it a step further and use this Shake Primer from KVD Beauty. If it sounds like I am dry, it's because I was not sure about this look, but it ended up turning out fine. But anyways, if you use this primer for high intensity looks, it works really well. But yeah, let that dry down before you start applying your shadows. Okay, so I have the picture up for reference and debating on whether or not I want to use a regular color first and then use pigments, or just use straight pigments, or just regular pigments. I don't know. I saw a regular eyeshadow, pressed pigment, whatever. Then I'll see if I need to go in with the colors. So I'm taking a round fluffy brush and I'm patting and packing that color in. This is lit out of the Pinky Rose Cosmetic Bright Lights palette. And I'm getting right there in that inner corner, right in that crease. And you just want to keep building that yellow up. Yellow is so hard to work with, especially on dark skin tones. So you just want to make sure that the color is even and that you're building it up all the way before you move on to blending. I'm just building that intensity up with packing motion. And now I'm gonna start extending it out. When you're doing looks like this with high pigment, and there's gonna be hella fallout, and you did your foundation first, please make sure you add powder underneath to catch that fallout, or else you're just gonna have to start all over, my guys. I ain't gonna even hold you. Okay, so you're gonna take that green, like a lime green color. I'm using Smash from the same Pinky Rose Cosmetic palette. And we're gonna blend that into the yellow, same motion. So I'm learning something about that primer. Once you place your shadows, you cannot disturb them because they are cracking up. Let me dust this away, and we may need to reapply afterward because we need to put some more color underneath. Now, her liner on here is very thick. She make me stutter and her friends say thick. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna regret using this. I'm gonna have to take that eye off. Okay, this is so much better. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna go take this off and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So now you wanna add that green on your lower lash line. And she just had a light wash of green, nothing crazy. All right, now it's time to contour. I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer in Espresso. Blend that into the head of the brow. And you kind of want to sharpen that jawline up a little bit. Okay, so Nicki's cheeks are giving us very much pink, girly, flirty fun. So I'm gonna go in with the Saharan blush palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna do my normal. Bronzing. I use Neo. Okay, then we're gonna go in with this pink blush, which is Zane out of the same palette. And I like to extend my blush back into the contour as well. So the apples of the apples of my cheek, and still extend that back into the contour so it's like a nice gradient blend. Y'all know I be doing these makeup looks with the faith of a mustard seed. And I say that because I don't be wearing my contacts. So like, to me it looks good, but I can't never really tell how good it looks until I actually put my glasses on and view the video. And sometimes it be a flop. Sometimes I'll be like, girl, like, what was you doing? But that's because I don't have no sense and I won't wear my contacts when I do these looks. Okay. I'm gonna tone it down a little bit. So I'm gonna just take some translucent powder. She did have a slight glow, so we're gonna take Lila back here where the light hits our face, and then also our nose. Okay, I am lining with Chestnut by NYX, Sugar Kiss by Fenty Beauty. It's Leger Cosmetics lip gloss in number 3. All right, let me stop gassing myself. Anyways, comment down below and let me know, did I body this look or not? Let me know what other looks you like me to do, what other celebrities you like me to recreate. Give me some dark-skinned celebrities that be serving looks, honey, because I'm just trying to serve for y'all. These lashes, by the way, are Socialite by Glam Galore Club. If you would like to purchase any of their products, I use their foundation, their concealer today, their lashes today. The powder is from them as well. If you would like to purchase any of their products, my coupon code is GURUSB. I will leave that down in the description bar. Shop, enjoy yourself. Very affordable products, very high quality. I would not lie to you. Yeah, my eye is watering and it's really messing up my yellow. I'm glad I got my pictures in because she's done for. Anyways, y'all, comment down below. Let me know if I bodied this look. Let me know who else you would like me to recreate. Oh, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you share the video with your friends. And then hit the bell notification so you can be notified the next time I upload. Because if you're not notified the next time I upload, you're going to have to search my name. If you search my name as Brushwork by Suzie, Bougie, that's a lot of words. And I'll be trying to help me find me easier. I'll be trying to help you help me. I was trying to help you. Oh, no. Help me help you find me easier. Okay, thank you. Bye. I had a brain fart. Bye. Bling. Ow. Blow. Ow. Serpent. Ow. Looks. Yes. Hey. She's flawless. Not a single flaw. Find it. You can't.